Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna doing a unboxing of POCO M8 5G smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So you can see here it is the branding POCO M8 5G. Here it is some back, you can see specifications are there. So first let's unbox it. So this is an open box delivery and I have purchased on the Republic Day sale. So let's open this box. Here it is POCO box. So here it is handset. So mobile looks very cool and it is very slim, you can see. So let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here it is pamphlet. So here it is having USB to USB type C charging cable, and so here we got Xiaomi branded charger in the box, 45-volt of charger in the box accessories. And let's open this box also. So friends, in this box here it is one SIM tool, and here it's his own Xiaomi case. So let's open it. Here it is quick start guys. So friends, it is having the black color finish, silicone, you can see silicone or matte finish cover is there. You can see POCO branding over here. You can see the cover is good. You can see with their charging protection also have given in the this. So just wrap it up and open this, unwrap this POCO smartphone. So friends, let's unwrap this smartphone. So here we got frost silver 6GB 128GB model. So let's see its specification. So friends, it is very thinnest phone by POCO. So friends, its weight is 178 grams. It is very slim profile, and durability also it have IP68 and IP65 rating, high pressure water jet and dust protection with 5-star drop resistance, tested to withstand drop from up to 1.7 meters. So let's open this smartphone friends. It's having military grade protection and it's having three colors: carbon black, frost silver, there it is, and glacial blue. So let's talk about the display friends. It's having 6.77 inch 3D curved flow on AMOLED display. It's having the curved screen and having the resolution FHD plus display, that is having the refresh rate of 120 hertz. You can see how smooth the 120 hertz is going. Having eye care 3840 hertz, flicker rate and features. Let's talk about the features. So friends, having the wet touch 2.0, processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. So let's talk about in this also. Let's open the settings. Here it is about phone. So here we got, you can see this. Now let's click on the storage here. So you can see this detailed info and specs. So you can see it is 6GB of RAM and 2GB can be extendable. Android 15 is there and OS version Snapdragon 6. CPU is Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 mobile platform, octa-core max 2.4 GHz. Having Antutu score of 8,25,000 plus. RAM is 6GB and 8GB variant. Storage, let's talk about. So it's having 128, 256 and 512 GB. So it is 128 GB model. So you can see its finish is metallic. You can see body is metallic, having the thinnest right here, and can be extendable up to 1 TB. So it have SD card slot also, and it's having the updates of 4 years of Android OS updates plus 6 years of security patches are there. Let's talk about the main task, that is camera is awesome. That's having the 50 megapixel of main camera, light fusion 400 sensor, having the 2 megapixel of depth camera for portrait shots. So I will tell you, I have taken some photos also. So let's open the camera. So you can see here it's having the portrait mode also. You can click 2 megapixel depth camera photos, Let's click on videos, and you can record 4K at 30 fps recording support, also 30 and 60 fps. Front camera is 20 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see the pictures. It is the front camera pictures. The contrast of the colors of the, you can see on the face is very good. You can see here it is back camera. It's very good. So let's talk about its capacity. So friends, this thinnest phone is having 5520 mAh silicon carbon battery pack. That is very good at this price range, having the charging of 45 volt of turbocharging charger included in the box accessories, and having reverse charge up to 18 volt wired reverse charge, and can charge other phones. Obviously it's having the 5G phone, and in display fingerprint and face lock is there, having IR blaster, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 5, USB type C charging port is there. So let's test the video quality and audio quality. So I have clicked on the video. So here it is. So let's wait for it. So you can see friends how clear the video is. When you just zoom it at 8x, it will not it will be clear. You can see your pixels will be clear, your image will be clear, and you can check the quality of the video. It's having 2160 pixel at 60 fps. That is the highest you can watch any video on YouTube. So you can see the colors and brightness are very good. Let's test the speaker quality also. So I have clicking on the non copyright music, and let's test another. So it's having 300% volume. So friends, you can see the quality of the speaker. It's insane. The volume level and the bass is very good. If you are that kind of person who listens more music on your speaker, that is the good thing for you. And this is very slimmest phone, you can see, with drop protection up to 1.7 meters. So it is very good for you. Having the metallic body, you can see it's the camera bump, also having the, you can see steel or metal, you can see frame is there. You can buy it. I have given the link in the description if you like this smartphone. I hope you like this video, and comment down for more ideas for videos. I will make it and upload for you. Thanks for watching.